Welcome to Learn Easy and Smart. Dictation start. A number of projects for groundwater conservation were undertaken full stop as a result of better irrigation measures, the production of cotton became the largest in India, full stop. Rural electricity supply was improved, full stop. In 2013, Modi was announced as BJP's prime ministerial candidate and contested from Varanasi and Vadodara, full stop. Modi effectively used social media like Twitter and Facebook for his campaigns, full stop. Paragraph change. This became the most popular punchline supporting his candidacy, full stop, as was expected, he won and was sworn in on 26 May, 2014, as the 15th Prime Minister of the country and also the first PM born in the post-independence era, full stop. Paragraph change. Soon after coming to power, Modi introduced a high speed train between Delhi and Agra and a new train up to Vaishno Devi Shrine in Katra, full stop. He is also planning to start bullet trains in the country, comma, which have been his long cherished dream, full stop. His Independence Day speech was particularly spectacular, comma, despite being an extempore, full stop. Some of the excerpts were inverted comma, why does a man have weapon in his hand and not a plow, question mark, inverted comma, paragraph change, about the safety of women, he said, colon, inverted comma, we put so many restrictions on our daughters, comma, but not on sons, full stop. After all, comma, a rapist is also someone's son, full stop, inverted comma, paragraph change. India has been longing for a change since long, full stop. Freedom from corruption and communalism, comma, education and jobs for all are some of India's top concerns, full stop. India has reposed a lot of faith in this inverted comma son of the soil, inverted comma, full stop. Let us hope Modi to be India's next inverted comma miracle man, inverted comma, full stop, paragraph change. The most recent series of events include the launch of inverted comma Swachh Bharat Abhiyan inverted comma a countrywide campaign to clean up India full stop. He launched it especially on Gandhi Jayanti and asked people to take a inverted comma pledge to affirm to remove dirt inverted comma full stop. The following day he made his first radio speech in order to reach out to tens of millions of Indians full stop. In his address comma he spoke on several issues like khadi comma skill, the development and empowerment of village full stop.